Well, this was my project for today. I downloaded, well, I didn't download. SketchUp is a program that's online, and this is basically the space where our trampoline currently is. It's kind of cool. You can do 3D rendering and push stuff down. So here's our existing window well, and this is Riley's dead grill that's kind of sitting in front of the space that is under a deck. But what I want to do is have kind of some kind of covering and seating wall. And over here is where the slope comes down, and I want to have a retaining wall. What I'll probably do is build this up a little bit and bump it out so I can have a cook station right about here. And then I'll bring my pellet grill down and my deal that allows, or the table, the prep table. But anyway, I would imagine that this is probably bigger than it would be, but we made it to where people could sit and be close enough. And this is the other feature that I really like, are these tables. I don't know, I mean, I would have to move this out a little bit because I decided to put the wall in after I kind of designed this, so there may not be the ability to put one here, or maybe what I would do is I'd have to put this out. Well, no, if I put it out, I won't be able to use the table, but maybe make this a little. I don't know. I'd have to look at that one and see if that one's a possibility, or it's just you use the front sides of it. But seated wall, so you can sit by the fire. I didn't have a way to put chairs in here, but we obviously could put chairs in there. But this is the feature I love about this, is these kind of built-in tables on the 6x6 posts. So you can see this is the path that currently goes all the way up here. I didn't have a way to put that elevation in, but this is the first day I've ever played with the program, so if I got this far, I would imagine I could probably do some more. But anyway, really, really neat. Love the rendering. Love what it looks like. There's kind of underneath it. But a little table to put a little plate, little cup, and stand up and mill around, be over here. So it's kind of what we're thinking.